everyone. In the last class, we began with the topic which was absorption and conduction of water and minerals. In that, we listed out 5 phenomena, of which number 1 phenomena was imbibition, which we have already done in our previous class. The second phenomena which helps in the absorption and conduction of water and minerals is going to be diffusion. Diffusion is a very interesting phenomena which occurs in a plant. Let's see how and when it takes place. Before moving forward with diffusion, there are 2 terms that I want you to understand better so that this topic is going to be more clear for you. Number 1 term is solute and the next term is solvent. These 2 terms are very crucial to understand the future processes. Number 1 is solute. So solute is something which is used to dissolve. Okay, the substance which we use to dissolve in something. So the substance used to dissolve, वो substance जो हम use करेंगे किसी चीज में dissolve करने के लिए. Solvent की अगर हम बात करें, so solvent is something in which the solute is added. Okay, so solute is added in the solvent. I'm not differentiating it here. I'm just trying to make you understand these 2 terms, what solute and what solvent is. So solute is something that is, used to dissolve in something, and solvent adds the solute in it. If I talk about the basic lemonade, when we make a lemonade, we mix some sugar, some lemon in water. So the sugar and the lemon could be the solutes, and the solvent is going to be here liquid, which is water. Your solute could be either solid or gas. ये आपको याद रखना है to understand the concept better, that solute is something which is solid or gas, जिसको कि हम dissolve करने के लिए use करते हैं. Next could be your solvent, जिसमें कि हम dissolve करते हैं कोई भी चीज. These 2 terms you have to understand. Now, when we'll talk about diffusion, we will be talking about solute. Always remember that जब भी हम diffusion की बात करेंगे students, हम solute को लेके चलेंगे, solvent की बात हम नहीं करेंगे. तो solute को लेके चलेंगे मतलब हम कुछ solid और gaseous particles के movement की बात करेंगे. इतना आपको यहाँ पे समझना है. Let's now move towards the definition of diffusion. We are studying about absorption and conduction of water and minerals. So of course, when something is going to be absorbed or transported, there is going to be movement. Agree? Movement होगा, but किन चीजों का होगा, कहाँ से कहाँ होगा, ये चीजें हमें यहाँ पे देखनी है. Absorption and conduction का मतलब ही है that something is getting picked up and transported from one area to another. Now let's see how diffusion facilitates it. So number 1 thing which we'll understand about diffusion, that there is free movement of particles. What particles? I'll ask you here, solute or solvent. So the answer is going to be solute particles. Solute could be your solids and gaseous molecules. So one thing that you have to understand is there is going to be free movement of solutes. कहाँ से कहाँ होगा movement? From their region. I'm going to break the definition here for you so that you'll understand it better. From their region of higher concentration to their region of lower concentration. Very very important point to remember. There is going to be movement of solute. इतना तो हमें समझ आ गया, but कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? From their region. This is the important word here. From their region. उनके region से जहाँ पे कि वो ज्यादा present है, वहां से वो मूव होना चाहेंगे जहां पे कि वो कम प्रेजेंट है. remember this, from their region of higher concentration to their region of lower concentration. जहां पे वो ज्यादा है वहां से वो मूव होना चाहेंगे जहां पे कि वो कम है. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक थर्ड पॉइंट ये भी बोल सकती हूँ दैट द मूवमेंट इज बेस्ड ऑन कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट. कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट लास्ट क्लास में बताया था दैट दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंसंट्रेशंस इन टू थिंग्स, ओके, विच डेवलप्स अ ग्रेडियंट. टू थिंग्स मतलब कहीं पे कुछ चीज ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है, कहीं पे कुछ चीज कम प्रेजेंट है, जिसकी वजह से देयर इज अ पुल एंड पुश विच इज नोन एज कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट. दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. लास्ट थिंग इन डिफ्यूजन, दैट फॉर डिफ्यूजन टू टेक प्लेस, two things, the solute and the solvent, I'm talking about solvent, I just tell you why. Two things, solute and solvent, are or should be in contact. Both should be in close contact with each other. So remember these points to understand the definition of diffusion. Number one thing, that there is going to be movement from where to where. The movement is going to be from its region of higher concentration to its region of lower concentration. It की किसकी बात हो रही है? बात हो रही है solutes की, which could be either solid or gas. Third thing is that there is going to be a concentration gradient, that in something the concentration is going to be more and in something the concentration is going to be less, जिसकी वजह से there is push and pull. Last thing, that for movement to take place, for transport to take place, there should be a close contact between the solute and the solvent. How? Let's understand better with the example here. So this is one experiment which I have drawn here for you. Let's first see what we have drawn here. There is a beaker, okay, and there is some water in it. Now I am going to add some potassium permanganate crystals in it. Okay, so I am just adding one crystal of potassium permanganate in water. Okay, now after some time, what I will observe is that this potassium permanganate has now started to move and has now, reached some part of the water. How? Let's understand. Now, I told you that there is going to be movement of solute molecules. Let's first see यहाँ पे solute क्या है और solvent क्या है. अभी मैंने आपको एक idea दिया है that how this experiment takes place. Now if I talk about solute, so here the solute is going to be the potassium permanganate crystal. So it is going to be potassium permanganate. One thing. Now if I talk about solvent, which is liquid, so what is the solvent here? It is water. Now in the starting of today's class, I told you that whenever we'll be talking about diffusion, we will be talking about solute or solvent. We will be talking about solute. Okay. Now, there is going to be movement of solute from where to where. अभी बताया था मैम आपने that the movement of solute is going to be there from its region of higher concentration, जहाँ पे कि वो ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है वहां से वो मूव होना चाहेंगे कहाँ पे? जहाँ पे कि वो कम प्रेजेंट है. चलिए यहाँ पे देखते हैं. अब हमें पता है that this is the solute, ओके, यहाँ पे वो ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है, कंसेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है here. अब एज अ रूल वो मूव होना चाहेंगे कहाँ पे? जहाँ पे कि वो कम प्रेजेंट है. सो यहाँ पे आउटसाइड एरिया दे आर लेस, सो दे आर गोइंग टू ट्राई, और वो मूव होना चाहेंगे बाकी एरिया में भी, जो कि यहाँ पे हमें दिखाई दे रहा है. तो कहाँ से कहाँ मूवमेंट हुई स्टूडेंट्स? मूवमेंट हुई सॉल्यूट की जहाँ पे कि वो ज्यादा थे, वहां से उन्होंने मूव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया जहाँ पे कि वो कम है. इस तरीके से आफ्टर सम टाइम यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट क्रिस्टल हैज डिसॉल्व्ड इटसेल्फ इन होल वाटर. लेट्स लीव पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट हियर. In our daily life we have seen that if we take a glass and put a tablet in it. First the tablet lies down, वहीं पे रखी रहती है tablet, but after some time आप उसमें देखेंगे that it starts to dissolve. पहले नीचे का पानी thick होना start होता है, हमें blur दिखता है because of tablet dissolution. After that, after some time पूरा पानी हमें blur दिखने लगता है, क्योंकि the tablet has dissolved, the solute particles of the tablet has moved to the whole glass. This is diffusion, that from one place there is movement of solute. जहाँ पे वो ज्यादा है वहां से वो मूव होना चाहेंगे जहाँ पे कि वो कम है. ये चीज आपको यहाँ पे समझनी है. दिस इज डिफ्यूजन. Okay, so let's write 4 points here that we have discussed about diffusion. So the points which we have understood from this experiments are: number 1, that there is movement of solute from higher to lower. This we know now very clearly. Second point, they move to where they are less. Solutes कहाँ से कहाँ मूव करते हैं? वो मूव करते हैं जहाँ पे वो ज्यादा है वहां से जहाँ पे वो कम है, तो उनकी टेंडेंसी रहती है कम वाली जगह पे मूव होने की. सेकेंड पॉइंट. थर्ड पॉइंट इज जो सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स हैं वो हमेशा ज्यादा प्रेजेंट होंगे. कहाँ पे? जहां पे भी आपने सबसे पहला अपना सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल इंसर्ट किया होगा. यहाँ पे हमने टैबलेट की बात करी, सो दे आर गोइंग टू बी मोर एट द साइट ऑफ टैबलेट फॉर सम टाइम. लास्ट पॉइंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, दैट डिफ्यूजन कंटिन्यू कब तक होगा मैम? क्या वो पूरे टाइम चलता रहता है? एट व्हाट टाइम इट स्टॉप्स? सो लेट्स सी. It stops or it continues until they are evenly distributed. They मतलब solute particles. कब तक चलेगा diffusion? जब तक कि ये ज्यादा और कम का gradient बैलेंस नहीं हो जाता. दिस हैज टू बी इक्वल. इक्वल कब होगा? जब ये टैबलेट पार्टिकल्स पूरे पानी में इक्वली डिसॉल्व हो जाएंगे. इसको हम एक स्पून की हेल्प से भी कर सकते हैं, जैसा कि हम लेमनेड में करते हैं, दैट वी मेक शुगर इन वाटर सो दैट दे आर evenly distributed in the whole water. Evenly distributed matlab that they get dissolved in the whole water evenly. Okay, so these things you have to understand here.
Also, there are topic-wise worksheets available. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section if you wish to avail the same. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.